Hello and welcome back to Helen Joy Creates. I got a little bit behind with my Inktober challenge, so I'm doing 2 today to try and catch up. So this is day 8 and teeth, and as a bit of a sewer, I fairly much instantly thought of some pinking shears. That's the scissors with the zigzag teeth in them. So thought I would have a go at doing them. My initial thought was just to do a basic outline and Zentangle it. That would have been the easy option, but if you know me, you know I like to challenge myself a little bit and thought I would paint with ink and try and get that sort of shiny metal surface. I'm not sure I did so well. Probably, I think I actually did it better in my practice run, but that's fine. You live and learn and you keep going and have a go. So yeah, this was my day 8 teeth. Now we move on to day 9 with the prompt throw. So I decided to go quite basic on this one, and I thought I would do a muddy ball being thrown at a wall and having that kind of splash throw mark left on the wall. Because I was running out of time a bit and having to try and catch up, I just thought I would keep it simple and fun for this one. thank you so much for watching, and please remember to give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. And do check out the description below to see where you can follow me and on other social media, as well as my Redbubble shop. Take care and hope to see you soon.